Welcome, in front of me is a VIVAX Fly 6, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through test mode. And to get started, let's hold the power key and select power off. Now, once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and volume down, both of them at the same time. So let's hold it right now. Now once you see the VIVAX logo, let go of the power key, keep holding volume down. So there we go, we're now in the factory mode, or test mode, however you want to call it. So from here, you'll need to use volume down key to cycle through the options and power key to confirm whatever is selected. And you want to select the clear eMMC option. There we go, power key confirm that. As you can see, formatting data, so there we go. Now this will take probably like 3 minutes to finish up, at which point we will be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.